Amador County. This guy also currently talks with the TLC channel for a show called What Not to Do to Your Motorcycle. Observe his nerves of steel and his lack of color coordination. He rides an 88 Yamaha and is sponsored by Sacramento Motorcycle Service Center, which you can find in the vendor area. All right, also, we got a guy out there, he's Triple D, Dave, and he's Ilmo. Pine Road, Daredevil Dave is also known for being totally insane when it comes to having fun on wheels. Let's just see he does tonight. He rides bike sponsored by the Motorcycle Service Center, lovingly referred to as we got Chris Hillstat, also known as Middlestat. Alright, these guys are going nuts. These guys are crazy. One of these guys out there, they have their own scorekeeper. There's a scorekeeper for each bike, if you guys need to know. Oh! We got guys going down right and left. The Demolition Chicken's going crazy out there. Demolition Chicken acquired his unique personality flaws after a bite from a radioactive alien biker chicken. That's his story, and he sticks to it, avoiding the responsibility and his behavior. Demolition Chicken is a man of contradictions, the desire to win, fear of pain, no common sense, and no detectable skills. DC Ride, the 79 Yamaha called Time Bomb, because it might blow up soon, sponsored by Annual Motorcycle Expo. All right, we want to remind you guys one more time, Demolition Derby is sponsored by Annual Motorcycle Expo, Motorcycle Service Center of Sacramento, and Quick Throttle out of Rancho Cordova. All right, and it's also sponsored, believe it or not, by all these guys out here willing to get hurt for all those sponsors. So anyways, we got seats flying off. We got all kinds of things going on out there. Uh-oh. Yeah. I hope the EPA don't come after us with all these smoke bombs. Come on, boys, you getting tired or what? Let's get going. Shrapnel everywhere. Hellstat takes out Elmo. All right, these guys are getting brave. I think we need to close down the area a little for them. They're getting like 20 miles an hour of speed out here. All right, that concludes. Let's see what happens. Back to your corners, boys. Back to your corners. All right.
Yeah.
All right, these guys. I'd like to see what happens if all these guys commute on the same freeway the same morning. Yeah. All right, we're tallying points, tallying them up. Let's see what happens here. All right, let's give these guys a few minutes here. Let's give them about 3 minutes to tally up the points. Here we go. Looks like we got it. Let's see what it looks like. Hey, why don't we have the guys come over here? I'll drop them a line. I'll drop them the mic. Hey, Sikorsky.